Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm going to take you how to wake up the screen without pressing any power button inside your Android phone. So the first thing that you're gonna do, you need to set up it first. To make it to make it wake up, you need to set up it in the setting with me. So now we get started. First, you need to go to the setting by clicking on the setting here, and then you will see in Vivo Phone you will see the smart motion here and then you will see turn on or off screen. Here is the way that and then you will see the double tap here, click to light, smart keep bright, or you can change or can do everything just like this. Now I'm gonna use double tap to wake up the screen inside the phone, so I need to drag it like this and then turn it back. And now you unlock your phone like this. Before it can work because you chose double tap to wake up the screen, so I no need the sensor here. There is nothing to use to wake up the screen. By double tap like this. Okay, now you wake up the screen now. Just like that. Now I'm gonna show you one more time. When you lock the phone or your phone have broken any power button, you can do in this. So now we gonna check out again. Now see my hand here, it's nothing to click. Now I'm gonna press only one finger, just like this. Okay, here's the way that you can wake up the screen without power button. Thank you for watching my video tutorial.